Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Capcut and creating a new project, then immediately grant camera and microphone access so recording works. Once done, tap the record button and pick front or rear camera, set resolution and frame rate, and check the mic input level. Make sure the aspect ratio matches your destination, 9:16 for socials or 16:9 for YouTube. Position your device, lock exposure if needed, and test a short clip to confirm framing and levels before committing to a full take. Now record your content in controlled segments, using pause and resume to capture multiple parts without creating disjointed files. After recording, add each take to a new track or layer so you can rearrange and blend clips. This makes edits non-destructive. Use split to cut out false starts, trim for precise and slash out points, and replace when re-recording a problematic section. Meanwhile, adjust audio gain and add a second mic track, if available, to ensure consistent voice level across. Finish by polishing visuals and sound. Apply color correction, filters, and transitions, then use audio ducking or equalization to balance voice versus background music. Once satisfied, open export settings and choose the resolution, frame rate, and bitrate appropriate for your platform. Preview the final render to check quality. If something looks off, make small adjustments and re-export. Troubleshooting tip: if audio drifts or desyncs, confirm the clip frame rate matches the project. If not, re-import at the correct rate or realign audio manually to fix timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.